Welcome to Express Education, your go-to channel for all things educational and innovative. In today's video, we have something truly exciting to share with you. Get ready to dive into the world of avatar creation as we explore the best realistic avatar creator app. Not only does this app offer the best realistic avatar creation experience, but it also comes packed with a wide range of pre-designed background templates.
These templates cover various niches, making it incredibly easy for you to create stunning videos without any hassle. While today we'll only be showcasing a sample of these pre-designed backgrounds, rest assured that the full app includes an extensive library to cater to all your creative needs. Imagine having access to professionally curated backgrounds that perfectly complement your avatars and help you create visually captivating videos. Whether you're working on marketing campaigns, YouTube content, or any other video project, these pre-designed backgrounds will elevate your creations to a whole new level. Join us as we explore the best realistic avatar creator app and give you a glimpse into the amazing world of pre-designed backgrounds.
See how these templates seamlessly integrate with the app, allowing you to effortlessly create videos that leave a lasting impression on your audience. So, if you're ready to unlock limitless possibilities in avatar creation and take advantage of a vast library of pre-designed backgrounds.
There are many realistic human talking actors.
Hello, my name is Emma, and I am one of the many natural human spokesperson you can use to skyrocket your engagement, leads, and sales faster than ever before. I move, talk, and express myself like a real human being. Simply paste in any text you want me to speak, and you will have a stunning high-end human talking video which you can convert in any language in just mere minutes. There is endless possibilities to reach any type of audience and market. Have a look at the other actors speaking in different languages and accents.
Choisissez parmi 50 superbes modèles personnalisables faits pour vous dans les niches les plus chaudes.
Elija entre 50 impresionantes plantillas personalizables hechas para usted en los nichos más calientes.
这是一个彻底的游戏规则改变者，将其他一切都从水中吹了出来。
和大量时间，只需点击几下即可完成。
Wave goodbye to expensive and time-consuming video creation and welcome to the world's best AI video creation platform.
Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join us in the next video of Education Express. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Thanks for watching and remember to visit the description.